Hi friends, welcome to today's class. So today's question is, Joanna, Adav and Joel run around a circular track of length 1000 meter with respective speeds 9, 18, 27 km per hour. If they started at the same time from the same point and run in the same direction, when will they meet for the first time? So what is happening here? There are three runners, Joanna, Adav and Joel. And they are going to run around a circular track of length 4000 meter, or the length to be covered L is equal to 4000 meter. It is the length of the circular track or the circumference of the circular track. And the speeds are also given. V1 or Joanna's speed is equal to 9 km per hour. So since your length is in meters, you have to convert each into meter per second. So V1 will be equal to 9 into 5 by 18, which gives you 2.5 meter per second, and V2 will be equal to 5 by 18 into 18, which gives you 5 meter per second, and V3 will be equal to 27 into 5 by 18, which gives you 7.5 meter per second. So they are running in the same direction, they are starting at the same time, and they are starting from the same point. So when will they be meeting for the first time? So when will they be meeting for the first time means anywhere on the track. When will they be meeting for the first time? Anywhere on the track. So here for 3 persons how to do this. For 2 persons we had already seen. So here you have to apply the same formula here. So when will Joanna and Adav overlap with each other? And when will Adav and Joel overlap with each other? So in the first case, when will Joanna and Adav meet each other? You can find out by L divided by difference between V1 and V2. They are running in the same direction. So you have to take the difference. So L divided by V1, difference V2 will be giving you the time at which Joanna and Adav will be meeting each other. And what about Adav and Joel? Adav and Joel will be meeting each other at the time L divided by difference between V2 and V3. So when you have to find out when the 3 people will be meeting for the first time. So 3 people for meeting for the first time, you have to take the LCM of these 2 quantities. If you take the LCM of these 2 quantities, you can find out when the 3 persons will be meeting for the first time anywhere on the track, or when they will be meeting for the first time. Simply telling when they will be meeting for the first time, it means that they will be meeting anywhere on the track. So let's solve this question. So simply you can remember, for 2 persons, you have to take the formula and take the LCM. So LCM of L divided by V1 minus V2 and L divided by V2 minus V3, or difference. It is not exactly minus bigger quantity minus smaller quantity. So here what will come? LCM of 4000 divided by 5 minus 2.5, which is 2.5. And other one also 4000 divided by 7.5 minus 5, which will give you 2.5. So LCM of 4000 by 2.5 and 4000 by 2.5. 1000 meter. So length is 1000 meter. I'm very sorry. So L is equal to 1000 meter here. So LCM of 1000 by 2.5 and 1000 by 2.5, both are same. So our answer will be time is equal to 1000 divided by 2.5, which gives you 400 seconds or 6.67 minutes. So all the 3 persons will be meeting each other after 6.67 minutes from the start. Now question number 2. Smita, Jyoti and Lisa run around a circular track 1200 meter long with speed of 9, 18, 27 km per hour respectively. If they start at the same point and at the same time in the same direction, when will they meet again at the starting point? So similar to previous video, when will they be meeting first time in the track and when will they be meeting at the starting point? So what is the formula for this? The formula will be exactly same as the other. It will be the LCM of L divided by V1, L divided by V2 and L divided by V3. Even if it is 2 persons or 3 persons or whatever, the formula will be same. So this will be the time at which the 3 persons will be meeting at the starting point. So to reach the starting point, one person will be taking L by V1 time. The second person will be taking L by V2 and the third person will be taking L by V3. Only when they complete one round, they will be reaching the starting point. So if you are taking the LCM of all the 3 quantities, you can see when the 3 persons will be meeting each other. So what is L here? L is equal to 1200 meter. And what about V1? V1 will be equal to 2.5 meter per second, 9 into 5 by 18. And V2 is equal to 5 meter per second, 5 by 18 into 18. And V3 is equal to 5 by 18 into 27, which gives you 7.5 meter per second. So what will be your final answer? It will be the time at which they will be meeting will be equal to LCM of 1200 divided by 2.5, 1200 divided by 5 and 1200 divided by 7.5, which gives you LCM of 480, 240 and 160. What is LCM? It is 480 seconds. 480 seconds, which is equal to 8 minutes. So all the three, Smita, Jyoti and Lisa, will be meeting 8 minutes after the start of the race. So in this video, we saw the formula when 3 persons are running the race. When they have to meet anywhere or when they have to meet for the first time, the formula will be the LCM of L divided by the difference between V1 and V2 and L divided by the difference between V2 and V3. When they have to meet at the starting point, the time taken will be equal to LCM of L divided by V1, L divided by V2, L divided by V3. Thank you for watching.